Hello everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to Smart Money Mindset, episode number 5. Today we will talk about these entrepreneurs who made their fortune from side hustles. The side hustles can do more than just supplementing your income. So buckle up to hear these great side hustle stories from great entrepreneurs.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. We could make a fortune.
Yay!
All these entrepreneurs had their full-time occupations long before their side hustle took off the ground.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. We could make a fortune.
What I call a side hustle for me.
These side hustles are totally unrelated to what they do from their day job.
Well, this is totally unrelated.
Three circuit cities to record profits.
What I call a side hustle for me.
Great fortune was made from 11 part-time side hustles. These entrepreneurs stayed at their full-time jobs even after their side hustle became a fully profitable enterprise.
What I call a side hustle for me.
I sew shoes.
Shoes?
That's right, Phil Knight, the great entrepreneur who sold his shoes, Japanese running shoes to be exact, out of his car at a track meet. During this time, his day job was an accountant. His fortune is from the company he created called Nike, which is worth $196 billion.
I sew shoes.
Shoes?
Our next entrepreneur is Mark Benioff. His day job was a programmer at Oracle. Side hustle was to create Salesforce, a customer relationship management software. Fortune came from Salesforce, the company that is worth of $156 billion. His net worth is $6.4 billion. Our next story is Sarah Blakely. Her day job was a fax machine salesperson. She actually went door to door to sell fax machines for living. Her side hustle was to create Spanx, a body-shaping pantyhose, and her fortune came from her company called Spanx, which is worth $1.2 billion, and her net worth is about the same amount. Our story number 4 is our entrepreneur Andy Dunn. His day job was a full-time student. His side hustle was a Bonobo men's fashion brand, and he sold this brand to Walmart for $310 million, and his net worth is that amount as well. Our 5th entrepreneur is Damon John, and this person is familiar to most of you because he's from Shark Tank. His day job used to be a full-time waiter at Red Lobster. His side hustle was to make hats out of his home in Queens, New York. His fortune came from his fashion company called Fubu, a hip-hop fashion brand. His net worth is $300 million. Oh, by the way, his current day job is different. He's a shark at a Shark Tank. Did you say Shark Tank?
Shark Tank?
Yes. Please like and subscribe our channel. And
Smash our like and subscribe to our channel.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. We could make a fortune.
Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.